Have you ever met someone who doesn't seem that skilled or experienced, but the way they talk about themselves, you would think they were a total expert? And the craziest part, they actually end up getting the job, or the attention, or the opportunity. Meanwhile, you are sitting there thinking, but I know more than this person. Why am I not the one getting noticed? Here's the truth. The world doesn't always reward the person who's actually better. It often rewards the one who seems better. Humans have this weird little habit. We judge people really quickly, based on very little information. There is a name for this, the halo effect. If someone seems confident or dresses well or just talks smoothly, our brain assumes they are good at other things too, even if they're not. Some people have mastered this. They know how to use it. It's called impression management. Basically, the art of showing a version of yourself that sells. But here's the thing. There is a line. On one side, it's confidence and skill, and the other, it's deception and ego. You can show a stronger version of yourself and still be honest, because sometimes you need to show your potential, because people give you the chance to fully express it. There is even a phrase for this. Fake it till you make it. Used the right way, it's not about lying, it's a growth strategy. But if it's only a show, if there is nothing real behind the image, the truth always comes out. Eventually someone calls you out and you lose trust, maybe even in yourself. The world is a strange place. Sometimes the bold get further than the capable, but the ones who are both bold and growing, nothing can stop them. Image matters, but real growth matters more. Have both and watch everything change. Have you ever experienced this in real life? Tell me your story in the comments. I read them all.